In 2026, two types of people exist. People who are using AI to make money right now and people who just watching those people and wondering it how they are doing it. And if you are watching this video, you are probably in the second group, and that's okay because by the end of this video you will have everything what you need to switch that side. I'm going to show you three specific ways how real people making money using AI right now. Not theory, not someday, not when you feel ready. Today, starting from zero. And here's what I want you to understand before go any further. The people who are making money in 2026 using AI are not smarter than you. They don't have more experience than you. They didn't start with more money than you. The only difference between you and them is they started before you did. This video is your start. Stay till the end because the third way is the one that works. Even if you have absolutely no experience, no skills, even no idea what you are doing. And it's the one most people never think of it. So let's go. Three ways also live all starting from zero. The first way to make money is AI replaced expensive service. The second way to make money is AI created brand new income stream. The best three, AI is multiplying skill that you already have. Let's start with the way one. And this is the one creating the most immediate income opportunity for beginners right now. Think about what a local business used to need to pay for. A professional copywriter write their websites 15,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees. A social media manager 8,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees every single month. A content writer blog 2,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per articles. Most small businesses could not afford this. Either they did it badly themselves or didn't do it at all. Here's what changed. Cloud can now produce all of this. Website copy, social media, captions, blog articles, newsletter in under 2 minutes, completely free. Watch this happen right now. I'm typing one prompt inside the Cloud AI. So here's the prompt. What I'm typing. Write a complete homepage for a local bakery called Sweet Layers. Target customers, young professional who love fresh baked goods. Tone, warm and inviting. Include a headline, sub-headline, three benefits section and a closing CTA. Now I'll simply just click on enter and let's see what the Cloud AI actually write. Alright, so the Cloud AI wrote a complete homepage for local bakery. Read the headlines, read the benefits section. This is genuinely professional quality copy, the kind a skilled copywriter would charge 5,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees to produce. Cloud just did it in 20 seconds. And here's the part most people miss. That business owner still needs someone who tried to find out these tools like Cloud AI and write articles, blog, captions, website copy for them and deliver and finish the result. Actually, they are not going to figure out it themselves. That gap, what cloud can produce and what the business owner need to do it. The gap is your income. You don't need to be a writer. You don't need a years of experience. You just need to know that how to use cloud AI to deliver the professional work. That's it. The gap is real. Money in the gap is real. And right now, very few people is standing in it. Base 2. This one is different because it's not taking an existing service and doing it all. It's about income state that literally did not exist before AI made them possible. 3 years ago, you could not build a professional website in 2 hours with no coding knowledge. You could not create a UGC ad without filming yourself. You could not write and publish a complete ebook in one afternoon. You could not generate 30 days content plan in under a minute. All of these things now are possible and all of them real paying market behind them. Let me show you the one I find most interesting for complete beginners. AI prompt pack that literally sell the prompt themselves. And here's the prompt what I am typing right now inside the Cloud AI for creating the prompt pack. The prompt is create a complete prompt pack called 25 cloud prompts for small restaurant owners. Include prompts for writing menus, social media captions, customer replies, templates, and Google reviews response. For each prompt, include the exact text to paste into cloud and one sentence explaining what it does. Now I'll simply just click on enter and let's see what the Cloud AI actually. Alright, so the Cloud AI built the prompt back within a minute. Look at this. 25 complete, organized, ready to use prompt, each one solving a specific problem a restaurant owner faces every single week. This is a finished sellable digital product right now from 1-2 minutes products. List this on Gumroad 199 to 499. Every single download after that is money you made while doing something else. This income state did not exist 3 years ago. It exists now because AI made it possible. And the most people think about bet too. Once you build the product, you stop working, but the money keeps coming. That's not phrase I throw around lightly. That's genuinely what happened when a digital product sit on Gumroad and sell while you sleep. Two base down, but way three I'm most excited about to show you because most people watching this right now think they don't have a skill to sell. Bay 3 is going to prove that wrong in about 60 seconds. So stay with me. Way 3. This is one most beginner never think which is exactly and why it's wide open. AI is not just creating a new income stream. It is taking whatever you already know, whatever your experience, interest or basic knowledge you have or multiplying it into something you can sell. Let me prove this right now. The most common thing I hear from beginners. I don't have any skill. Yes, you do. You just don't see them as a sellable yet. You know how to cook, cloud turned that a recipe worth 299 rupees. You know your city well, cloud turned that into a local guide worth 199 rupees. You have managed your own money. Cloud turned that into a personal finance guide worth 499 rupees. Every single one of these is real or sellable product. And cloud does the writing. You provide the knowledge, even a basic knowledge. Watch this. I'm going to use one of the most basic knowledge areas, saving money as a young person, and turn it into a sellable product right now. Write a complete beginner's guide to saving money as a young professional in India. Include 5 chapters covering budgeting basic, cutting unnecessary expense, starting an emergency funds, first investment steps. Alright, look at this. The Broke to Building Guide. 5 complete chapter, practical, readable, genuine, useful, written in under 30 seconds from knowledge that millions of young Indians already have. They just never thought to package it. That guide is worth 299 rupees to 599 rupees on Gumroad. And anyone who has managed their own money could have written that prompt. You didn't need to be a financial advisor. You needed to know the basic and cloud did the rest. Let me say something honest before I wrap up. None of this magic and none of this happened overnight. The people making money with AI in 2026 are not one who watched the most videos and found the best tools. They are the one who actually picked one method and did it. Even when it felt uncomfortable. Even when the first step wasn't perfect. Even when they have no proof it would work. 3 ways I showed you today are all real. The gap in way 1 is real. Passive income in way 2 is real. The skill multiplier in way 3 is real. But none of it become real for you until you go to the cloud and actually build your things. Not tomorrow, no after you watch 3 or more videos, just today. Do it. You just watch 3 real proven way AI changing making money in 2026. If this video worth it and useful for you, please hit the subscribe button and turn the bell. And next week, I'm going even further. The digital product stream and building a 5 complete product using Cloud AI. So hit the subscribe button for that and drop the comment what you want. I'll see you in the next one.